But then I've seen here recently, states have gone very quickly to putting a hold on your bank account or putting a lien on your account. There are some states that are very quick. They have like we sent you the first letter, we gave you another month. We sent you the second letter, we gave you another month. We sent you the demand, and then now we're turning it over to collections in another month, and now we're putting a lien. And it's like, holy guacamole, in 5 months now I have a lien on my bank account. I have to figure out how to get it down. It's based on a Jeopardy assessment, which is, 99% of the time it's an estimated return based on some arbitrary number. So it's like you owe $3,000 of tax a month, plus penalties and interest. And you're like, but all my sales were for resale in Washington. And all of a sudden you're out a lot of money and you have to figure out. Yeah. And sometimes you don't even really realize it because, right, we're all still, there's a lot of companies that are still remote. We don't know where the mail goes. You've moved. Right. So things aren't getting forwarded until all of a sudden you're like, wait a minute, the comptroller's office just took $50,000 from my bank account. What am I supposed to do with this? So then you have to go in, basically drop everything, file all the returns, kind of. Some states you should pay the tax again, right? Some states it's like, well, you already have my money, so then you'll refund me the delta. But when are you going to do that? Like, it's just,
super time consuming. It's super time consuming for us to support them, for them to get the information. And sometimes they're just shut out. I mean, we had a recent one in Texas, right? They were just shut out. Like they couldn't do business in Texas, which is not what they want because they want to sell their things to Texas.
And I had a client that, they were registered, they were late on some filings or missed some filings, whatever it was. Kind of the notices all start to look the same when you're kind of trying to like catch your breath as a new business and whatever the reason. So I got a phone call and he was like, hey, they actually put a lien on my bank account that I pay my mortgage on. I'm not an officer. I didn't sign the registration. My name is nowhere near that other than like I'm the contact person. But they somehow got his like mortgage escrow account that they were going to put a lien on. Now, fortunately, and this was one of the lucky states, right? Because they had hey, we get the notification, funds are held for, 72 hours before they're released. So if you can like get in touch with the state, give them their money, they can then call me, tell the bank not to pull the money and all of these things. But it's just like, this is my mortgage.